In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an OCO order on Tradovate. Now, there's two ways to do this. The first one is if you're trading using this trading panel at the top of your chart. So to open it, you want to go to settings and click on trade mode. And then from here, you can see ATM and you want to switch this from whatever is currently on. So if you haven't played with this, it's going to be off. You want to switch this over to OCO one time, okay? So that's going to be the first way to do it. Click on that. And then from here, you can then go ahead and trade. Or I think the better way would be to go to the top left and click on trading. And you can go ahead and hit the advanced button over here and switch from ATMs to OCO, okay? So here you can then go ahead and set your basic order, and you can go ahead and set quantity, order type, flags, release, etc. And then here you have the OCO, so you can then go ahead and set buy or sell. You can set the amount, you can go and use the arrows to basically do it like this automatically, or you could type it in manually as well. And then you can select the type of order. You have market, limit, stop, stop limit, trailing stop, or trailing stop limit. So I'm gonna go market right now, and let's just pretend, of course, we're going to do it like this. I'm gonna click on send and then buy, and there we go. Right now it's saying wrong OCO combination. Of course, I would have to click on sell over there, and there
Order
we go.
filled.
As you can see, it filled my order. So that's how to place an OCO order on Tradovate. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.